Namaskar. Welcome to SIF Young Artist Hindustani Vocal Channel. I am Divya Shenoy. In today's session, we will look into a complete Chhota Khayal presentation in Rag Ahir Bhairav. Rag Ahir Bhairav originates from Bhairav That. It is a morning raga. It is a Sampurna raga, which means it has all 7 notes. Ahir Bhairav has Komal Re and Komal Ni. The Vadi Swara is Ma and Samvadi Swara is Sa. Let us begin by listening to the Tanpura and singing Sa in Akar. Take a deep breath and sing Sa along with me. Let us now sing the Aroha and Avaroha of Rag Ahir Bhairav. Sa Re Ga Ma Pa Dha Ni Sa Sa Ni Dha Pa Ma Re Sa. Today we will be learning a very popular and a beautiful bandish in Ahir Bhairav, Alabela Sajana Ayuri. This bandish is set to Teen Tal. We will be singing at 140 beats per minute. The sthai of this bandish starts from the 7th beat and the antara starts after the 9th beat, that is on the 10th beat. In this session, we will first sing the sthai of the bandish, followed by a few alap phrases while the tabla plays. We will proceed towards the antara, complete the antara, and sing some tans in this raga. Let us begin with the sthai. Dha dhin dhin dha dha dhin dhin dha dha tin tin tha tit dhin dhin dha. Alabela sajan aayo re, alabela sajan aayo re, mora ati man sukh paayo re, mora ati man sukh paayo re, alabela sajan aayo re, mora ati man sukh paayo re, alabela sajan aayo re. Now let us sing some alap phrases in this bandish. We will start each cycle of the alap from the 9th beat, take up the remaining part of the cycle and sing Alabela again on the 7th beat. Alabela sajan aayo re, sa ni dha ni sa, alabela sajan aayo re, alabela sajan aayo re, sa ni dha ni re sa, alabela sajan aayo re, alabela sajan aayo re, ni sa re ga re sa, alabela sajan we will look into some alap phrases which take up 2 cycles or 2 avartans of teen tal. Alabela sajan aayo re, sa re ga re ni dha ni re sa. Alabela sajan aayo re, साजन आयो रे. ग मा प ध नि ध प ध नि ध नि सा. अलबेला साजन आयो रे. चौक पुरावो मंगल गावो, चौक पुरावो मंगल गावो, मन रंग नीत पायो रे. मन रंग नीत पायो रे. अलबेला साजन आयो रे. अलबेला साजन आयो रे. Those were some alap phrases in Ahir Bhairav. Now let us proceed to the Tan section. In the Tan section, we will learn to sing both half cycle tans and full cycle tans. For the half cycle tans, which start on the first beat, we will just sing Alabela. And instead of singing Sajana, let's take a breath, prepare ourselves to sing the tan that follows. Alabela, sa re ga ma pa ma ga re sa. Alabela, alabela, सारे सारे रे ग रे सा. अलबेला, अलबेला, रे ग म प म ग रे सा. अलबेला, अलबेला, ग म प ध नि नि ध प म ग रे सा. अलबेला, अलबेला, प ध म प म ग रे सा. अलबेला, अलबेला, ध नि ध प सा नि ध प म ग रे सा. अलबेला, अलबेला, सा नि ध प ग म प म म ग रे सा. अलबेला, अलबेला, साजन आयो रे. For the full cycle tans, let us sing the complete line Alabela Sajana Ayori and start the tans from the 9th beat. Alabela Sajan Ayori, sa sa re ga ma ga ma pa ma pa da pa da ni da ni sa sa ni da pa. Alabela Sajan Ayori, साजन आयो रे। सारे गरे रे ग म ग म प म प ध नि ध नि सा नि ध प म ग अलबेला साजन आयो रे। अलबेला साजन आयो रे। सा सा नि ध प ध प म प म ग म प ध नि ध प म ग रे सा अलबेला साजन आयो रे। अलबेला साजन आयो रे। मोरा अति मन सुख पायो रे। मोरा अति मन सुख पायो रे। अलबेला साजन आयो, साजन आयो, साजन आयो रे। साजन आयो रे। This was a complete Chhota Khayal presentation in Rag Ahir Bhairav, where we learnt a popular bandish, improvised on the bandish using alap phrases, and also learnt a few tans in swaras and akar. I hope you all have enjoyed learning this rag with us. For more such videos, please subscribe to SIF Young Artist Hindustani Vocal channel, and I will see you in our next session. Namaskar.